Good afternoon, traders. Keith Harrington II here with another trading video. Today we're going to look at two instruments, soybean meal and the US500. And we're going to start off with soybean meal. There's a rising trend line support here and was connected with these 2 points, tested and rejected and confirmed here. And we are back again at this level. So how do we get down here? Price pushed up and we made it up to about the 510, 515 area, which is now a swing high resistance zone. We had an impulse move down, very strong move down from that level. Small pullback, another push down again before we got another small pullback. And we've pushed down again for the next leg into this rising trend line. So seeing this morning star pattern here, I initiated a support level. It was confirmed with this almost hammer right here. And I had initially, you know what? I actually didn't enter on this one. That's corn I was thinking about. I didn't enter on this. And we got these two moves up, a lot of exhaustion and indecision still, debating on whether price was really going to bounce from this level. But we got a strong move back down into the level. Closing inside of this support horizontal zone, closed just below the rising trend line. And at the moment, we're presently trading just below this rising trend line, but still inside of this horizontal support zone. So I am now long. Let's actually take a look at the position. I'm actually long here. I got long as price was pushing down into this zone. Stop. I gave myself a lot of room for this because I really want to see if we can push back up from this level, continuing this move up. If we do, we have our first area of resistance that I'll be looking at here. And then this will be the secondary area here, and we'll see what happens if price makes it up there. But for now, I'm looking for some type of reversal here. We could easily just push through this area and continue on downwards, but I am expecting some type of exhaustion, which we're seeing at the moment, and possible ranging movement for the next couple of days going into next week if we don't get an immediate push back upwards or a continuation down to the downside. So that's what I have here for soybean meal. I really like the setup. So low risk for a potential reward that's very well worth it. So we'll see what type of movement we get going into the rest of this week. And moving over to US500, I'm still bearish this. We could go up, but I'm still looking for a move back down to at least 3,800, 3,750. But I really would like to see a move back down here to this 3,500 area. So at the moment, we have this horizontal support that's been holding for a long time. The last time I did a video on this, I was actually short as well, but it was just very slow moving and a lot of indecision. I decided to get out. I took a small profit. I got out, and I'm back in this short again. So we have this horizontal resistance here that has been holding quite well. We have also seemed to be starting to form some type of triangle here. We've got that resistance here that's been tested and rejected again for the third time. We have the 2 points here. If we can make it back down here, we'll see if it holds. But immediately below that, we do have a horizontal support zone. So this area down here, if price makes it back down here, is a crucial area. And for the moment, we seem to be getting some pressure to the downside after trying to push back up above this resistance here, the horizontal and the triangle resistance. So it seems to be holding. We're getting a little bit of movement here to the downside. And to take a look at the position that I have open here, I entered right there. Stop up above the highs to give it some room. And first targets will be anywhere from 38.50 to 37.50. I really would like to see how price reacts if we can make it back down into this range. So that's all I'm working with now. See how this plays out going into Friday. And I'll keep you guys posted if anything drastic happens. But until then, I'll see you on the next video. You can click the link. Check out the book that I've written, Candlestick Trader, Trading Basics Using Reversal Candlestick Patterns. 3 principles that I talk about in there are risk management with reversal candlestick patterns, support and resistance with reversal candlestick patterns, and identifying areas of a possible return, whether it's from a long-term trend or a pullback, using reversal candlestick patterns. So go ahead and check it out. The link is in the description box, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy trading.